How to change your Microsoft account name and password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Microsoft account name and password. Let's get started. First things first, go to accountmicrosoft.com, https://accountmicrosoft.com. Click Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you signed in, click your info at the top. Click Edit Name under your current name. Then enter your new name and complete the CAPTCHA. Click Save. Go to the Security tab under Password Security. Click Change Password. Verify your identity. Enter your current and new passwords, then click Save. And that's it. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.